Hi, Tim Maria here with Digital Health Live, day one at CES 2015. We want to thank WebMD for sponsoring the studio this year. We have Timothy Moore, the Chief Marketing Officer of Rocket.
Yeah, hi everybody. Yeah, that's it. Rocket Labs and Rochester Optical.
So we're going to go into some really cool stuff that we were just talking about. But first of all, you were brought down here to kick off the event. We had Robert Scoble, and who else was on stage?
Yeah, John Nosta was also there with Nosta Labs, and it was all just a debate. And there were some other doctors on there, and it was all a debate on digital medicine, hot or not, and what particular elements of it are we going to see happening in the next 12 to 24 months.
And what is your background?
My background is tech, mostly. It's technology, and I've spent a lot of time working in digital vision and wearables in particular. I was with a company that worked closely with Google before, and now we're working very closely with Epson. We have partnerships with all kinds of digital eyewear, and one of the biggest things that all of these companies are doing is looking for medical solutions.
So we've talked about data earlier, just vast amounts of data, and clinicians, doctors actually having a need to visualize data. And what's going on there?
Well, that's the key, right? I mean, all of these devices that we have, all of these sensors, all of these different things that are connected, and of course connectivity is one of the issues. But to us, the biggest issue is the most valuable person in the equation is the doctor who's going to help provide that. And make the best decision on how to provide that care or using the information to help the patient. And instead of going off to a separate room, the doctors really want to be in with the patient. And so if they can have that information developed or presented right away, that's key. And so that's where some kind of headset where that information can be provided instantaneously, reports are ready, temperature spiked, whatever it is, that to us is where our space is in providing those vision solutions.
So there's some interesting companies coming out like Magic Leap, and we're talking about the future's already here, but it's not widely distributed yet. Where is the future in this space happening today?
Well, we're seeing two things. One is adoption in the States is coming, but it's met with skepticism a little bit because it's overwhelming. And our traditional healthcare system is migrating, and this event has shown that we're going to be there very soon. But in Asia, for example, it is already tipping. They have such an appetite for this. They see the future. They always have been technically a little bit ahead of us. And our office over there, Rocket Labs, is working with Epson and a number of other companies to provide critical solutions to healthcare, hospitals, physicians, even all the way down to dentistry and beyond. So we're going to start seeing these things happening, I think, a lot sooner than we think.
That's really interesting. So, Timothy, how do people link up with you?
Well, my primary is Twitter. I'm at Tim Moore, and I'd love it if you'd tweet out a Digital Health CES hashtag. Give these guys some juice, because this has been a great event. Beautiful that it was filled up, and then we had a big event and it was standing room only. It's just fantastic. I really am grateful. And also I'm on Google+. That's where I blog about everything. Plus Tim Moore there.
Awesome. Thanks so much. Cheers.
Thank you.